I know you're all really excited about your first day of college. Go Ticks! Don't worry about it, we'll work on that. So you guys got pretty lucky. I am a little cooler than most RAs. We can talk about chill classes to take, sickest parties on campus, laying pipe. You guys know what laying pipe means, right? Crushing guts, slamming gash, churning truffle butter, putting the wand in the chamber of secrets. Talk about sex, guys. Okay. Yes, Jesse. What up, playa?
Why the hell are the three of us stuck in this small-ass room?
That is a fair question. See, Howler always accepts more students than it can actually house, so they just sort of naturally assume that a certain number of them are gonna go someplace else, but...
The university assumed wrong and didn't have enough space for all those freshmen.
Boom! X gets it!
It's Xavier.
Boom! Malcolm Xavier gets it!
That works. That works.
My question, why, out of the millions of students, did we three get picked to squish into a double?
Well, Gordy, it's actually, like, totally random. But it's not that bad. I mean, you guys are the lucky three that got a bonus roommate. Being a force triple is awesome. You know bros before hoes? You totally have an extra bro. So come on, let's try it again. Go Ticks!
Go tits.
No, it's ticks. Like, I'm a tick. Freshman, what?
How many O's in go Ticks?
Oh, it's a go fuck yourself.
It's a little crammed, but you know, it's all good.
Hey! Big titty, big ass, baby, you got it all. Show you my third ball.
I gotta go, bye. Excuse me. Hey, how you doing? Do you mind not blasting that crude bullshit while I'm on the phone with my mom?
Oh, and that crude bullshit? That's my art, bitch.
No, wait, that was actually you?
My name's Jesse O'Farrell. So my rapper name is Oh For Real?
That's the dumbest thing I've ever
That
heard.
is so sick. I mean, I don't really get it, but that is really sick.
And that's the second dumbest thing I've ever heard. Wait, Jesse.
Oh, for real?
I'm not saying that. I'm not saying it, all right? What do you have to rap about, man? You're from the richest town in Jersey.
Man, you know what they say. More money, more problem, my nigga.
Whoa! Put your hand down. You are not saying that. I don't understand what made you feel comfortable enough to say that, but that's not happening at all, ever.
Come on.
No, come on. Guys, look, I know that none of us want to be in here, but the pre-orientation book says find common interests with your roommates, all right?
Oh yeah, is there a chapter in there for the best way to kill yourself if you're the only idiot dumb enough to read the pre-orientation book?
So you didn't read it? I bet Gordy read it. You read it, right?
I don't really do books. But Jesse and I were talking earlier, we both like having sex.
Oh, you like having sex, huh? That's wonderful.
You both like breathing too? Everybody loves sex.
So you've had sex?
Had, sex, you said?
Yeah, like...
Yeah. Yeah, no, all the time. I get up in there, you know? Just right now, what the hell was that?
Well, if you're looking to step up your game, everything you need to know is in this book right here. Check it out.
Check it.
The Hunt, Mastering the Art of Seduction and Full-On Penetration.
The rag 'em till you bag 'em strategy.
Oh, my favorite chapter. Proper entry in the back door. That's a good one, too.
Oh, my God. It's right there.
You're welcome. Oh, I also like the gay version to make sure I truly master the craft. Look at it.
Are you gay?
I don't know yet.
What's the point if you're not gay?
This is what college is for.
Debatable.
Listen, guys.
We just need to work together, okay? There's gotta... Gordy, what the heck are you doing, man?
Playing basketball, what does it look like? I'm trimming my pubes.
Why are you doing it in here?
And then more importantly, why over my nightstand?
Well, where else am I gonna do it? You have the window.
You need a view to shave your pubes.
No, I don't need a view, but it certainly improves the experience.
How about no pubes over any nightstand?
Fine. Jeez, just relax.
Ah, God damn it, Gordy!
Chill.
I can't just chill out. I'm the first guy in my family to go to college. Do you know how much I have riding on me?
Apparently not much in the last year.
Okay, you know what? You know what? Nope.
Never had
Hello?
vagina.
Mom, I'm sorry. I can't do this anymore. They're idiots. There's nothing in the world that's gonna make me
Oh, hi. call you back. Buster.